So next up, guys, got a really nice cat skid loader here. So this is a 2014 Caterpillar 246D. Guys, it's pretty much fully loaded. It's got 2-speed cab, heat, air, radio. You got the joystick controls, so you can do either cat or case with those. You got a cat, just general purpose bucket there with a bolt-on edge. Hydraulic quick attach. It does have the backup camera. Rubber's really good shape. You got the rear weights as well. Got front auxiliary hydraulics there for hooking up. Also got an electric hookup there as well, but really low houred. Probably the most exciting thing about it, only just under 1,100 hours, guys. But really swift, good running unit. One owner as well. But I'm here with Luke. He's going to fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. Seen really light use, guys. Pretty much just, I think he said, uses it to move a little snow, and lift that bucket up there. I'll give you that. Just tip it out for you as well. Like I said, you do have the hydraulic quick attach, 2-speed, cab, heat, air, radio. Kind of give you back and forth there. There's your 2-speed kicking in. Got backup buzzer there. But yeah, if you're in the market for this size of skid loader, guys, this is as nice as you'll find. Coming from a really good home. Strong hydraulics there. Lifts the machine up easy. There's the demo, guys, on 2014 Caterpillar 246D. Really nice skid loader you can buy with confidence.